Hello, welcome to Hawaii Cuisine. Today I'm doing a pepper crab. The ingredient I'm gonna be using is gonna be this is a black pepper. I'm gonna be using black pepper. This is the seasoning we usually use for all our food. It's called chicken seasoning, and it's got a better taste. And I'm gonna need 4 jumbo small cube jumbo Maggi. They're very nice. I'm gonna need 2 fresh onion. We have a green pepper, 1 green pepper. Also, I'm gonna be using fresh garlic. This is the fresh garlic I'm gonna be using. Also, this is a mix of green pepper, yellow pepper, and red pepper also. So we have a fresh crab, blue crab today. First thing I'm gonna be doing, because they are live, I cannot carry it. I cannot put my hand in there. They can bite. See that? Ooh. So I'm gonna just boil the water. Right now I'm gonna put them in hot water, so and from there it's gonna be easier for me to clean it up. Right now I can do nothing with it, and I have to make sure they're dead, so I can be able to cook. So I'm gonna just put in the hot water right here. So I'm gonna make sure they're dead before I touch it. Well, right now, if I touch it, they're gonna bite me. So I don't want to be a victim here. See that? They're alive. Ooh. This is. Ooh. All right. I know now it's not live. You can use anything you want now to clean it properly. All I did is to boil a little bit of water and kill them. So now, first thing you gotta do, you gotta take this off. Take the head off. And the next thing, you see this area? This is where you gotta pinch. And what is the knife? All you gotta do is to squeeze the knife beside it and then pop it. It will pop up like that. See? It's easy to do it. So remember, all this stuff need to go. You need to clean it properly. First thing, you can just crack this in the middle. Because, see? This is how you do it. This is not easy. It's proper clean now, so you can use this for later. So that's how you clean it. Next things I'm gonna be using. This is one thing that I forgot to mention. This is a peanut butter. Make sure it's creamy. If it's not creamy, don't use it. Okay? Creamy. I'm gonna be using that, and this is my favorite one, the cayenne pepper. It's spicy and nice color. See, this is what I'm gonna be using. Okay. The next step, what I'm gonna be using after cleaning up, I'm gonna be blending these vegetables that I just cleaned and cut them piece. So I'm gonna be blending them right now. We're gonna see in the next 5. This is how it's supposed to look like. It's a little bit boiled, so all I'm gonna do is put the seasoning on top of this one right here before going to the pot. Right now, the pot, I'm trying to dry it up and then put some oil. The next step we gotta do, we have to blend green pepper and yellow pepper. All the vegetable supposed to be blended. That's what I'm doing right now. This is the blender, and this is what I'm blending. Everything's going into the blender right now. And then after that, I'm gonna fry all the vegetable. Also, from there I can add the peanut butter. Let's see the next step. Just a little bit. next step, I'm gonna be frying the vegetables right now. So these are the vegetables finished to blend with. Next thing, you're gonna fry it now. Smell already. Smell nice. At least I'm gonna fry these at least 5 minutes. You know, I'm just gonna leave it on now. You know, close it. After frying 5 minutes, so I can add a little bit of water, also on the peanut butter. So everything's gonna be cooking, and then next step is gonna be adding the meat, the crab meat. So right now, let's just close this down. Please, you need to come and check it so it won't burn. Let's just give it 3 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes. So I just checked. You know, now it's time to add the water. All you gotta do is to add a little bit of water. Not all this, okay? Just a little bit. You know, just to have some juice on it. Okay, that's enough. See it? Look like. All you need is to juice it. Alright, now, see, this is my peanut butter. I'm gonna just add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. That should be it. That will be enough. So, you know, make sure you mix it. Mix it up. See? I didn't put no seasoning yet. This is all juice in it, you know what I'm saying? Alright. I'm going to add these 3 or 4. I'm gonna add these 4 jumbo cube Maggi. So I'm gonna add that now and add a little bit of cayenne pepper. The cayenne pepper gonna make spicy and also colorful. This is what I'm doing right now. See it? The color already changed. So I'm gonna add that. So it's time to add the crab now. See the crab, I already put a little bit of seasoning on it. You see, this is it. This is supposed to look like. See, look very, very tasty right now. See it? The next thing, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add crab meat, just like this, and then mix it. Alright, you gotta mix it and try it if it's tasty. If it doesn't, you can put some seasoning, more seasoning. Remember, I already boiled a little bit, so it shouldn't be taking too long. I'm gonna try it and to see if it's tasty. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end. So it's well done. I just finished cooking. You know, I didn't show the prices because it's not supposed to stay too long. after you add everything. You can cook like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and that's it. That's it. This is the final product. So I just made a plate. This is gonna be a plate. You can eat it with anything if you want, but I just like the rice, so I just put a little bit of rice on the side. So just put this sideways. It's gonna be very nice. It's good food. We can eat it with anything, but this is what I do, and I have a little salad on the sideway. Just add some lime and a little salt. That's it. And you can enjoy the food. This is ready to go. Alright? This is our cuisine. Please don't forget to subscribe or like it. If you like it, let me know and just put the thumbs up. I hope you enjoy it. This is the good food, African food. Crab pepper. It's tasty. And have a good one. Thank you for watching.